Ear to the ground. Ear to the ground. It's an idiom. It means being aware of what is happening around you. That is to be the known. In other words, if you keep or have your ear to the ground, you make sure that you find out about the things that people are doing or saying. So, when you are fully aware of what is happening around you, you are really keeping your ear to the ground. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, if you want to know what's happening, ask Money. He has his ear to the ground. So, Money knows everything what is going on here. You ask him because he knows everything. That is why he has his ear to the ground. Second one, don't think it is a done deal. Keep your ear to the ground. Don't leave it. Don't think it is completed. Keep knowing what is going on. That's the reason. Keep your ear to the ground. Third one, I am not sure what's going to happen with this merger. So I am keeping an ear to the ground. So we are combining with them, but we don't know what is the result of this merger combination. That's the reason I am very keen to know everything what is going on. So I am keeping an ear to the ground. Fourth one, jobs in manufacturing are relatively scarce, but I keep my ear to the ground. So it is not easy to get jobs in manufacturing companies. That is the reason I am knowing everything that is going around in manufacturing companies. So I keep my ear to the ground. Fifth one, I know Kim is keeping her ear to the ground in case word gets out about the promotion. So Kim is very keen about her promotion, so she is getting to know what is exactly going on in the office. So she is keeping her ear to the ground. So when we look at the origin of the idiom ear to the ground, in the olden days, when the people went for hunting, Native Americans put their ear to the ground in order to detect vibrations of animals moving. By doing this, they could hear the animals long before they saw them. So it's easy for them to hunt. So from this Native Americans hunting experience, we have taken this idiom ear to the ground, which means being aware what is happening around you. That is having complete knowledge of what is happening around you.